guys! Hello! It's me again, CC Adventure. On today's video guys, we will do an unboxing. So, if nakita nyo yung unboxing ko last time, yung nag-unboxing ako ng eyeglasses. So, this time, mag-unboxing tayo ng sunglasses. So, ano siya? Last time kasi guys, ano lang, kasi nag-order ako ng, or kami, nag-order kami ng eyeglasses sa sa Mr. Specs talaga. So, marami silang brand doon na mapipilian mo. So, this time, nag-order din kami sa Mr. Specs, but this time, we need to pay if how many you are going to order. Let's say, for example, nag-order ako ng 8 pairs. Let's, just to make sure kung saan yung babagay sa akin. Kasi noon, pwede lang siyang i-try in the house na walang bayad. But, I guess because of pandemic, nag-change sila ng rule. So, if you want to try it at home, you have to order it. And then, if you don't like it, you can send it back to them. So, ito na nga. Naipapakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan, ito siya. Isang carton siya. May Mr. Specs dyan. So, may short video ako dito na na-upload kasi nga, I thought na we will send it back. So, it takes time for us to, for me, kasi si Chris, nakakapili na siya kung anong gusto niya. But for me, kasi, yung shape kasi ng mukha ko, siya, mahirap maghanap ng frame for the, But, by the way, guys, yung Mr. Specs pala is, yung optical na shop. Kasi, naghahanap kami ng sunglasses with grade. Yung may grado. Kasi, di ba may grado din yung eyeglass ko. So, unbox natin, guys, is this one. The Marc Jacob. So, actually, guys, yung plan ko, ito talaga yung plan ko. Kasi, maganda siya. Ito yung box niya. Diba? Ang ganda niya. And then, it's modern. So, siya? Kasi front camera siya. Anyway, so it's modern, guys. The style is modern. It's like circle style. And I really love it. And it's, I guess it's 133mm yung size niya. So, this what it looks like. So, ayan. Ganyan siya, guys. I'm not sure, ha? Kasi for me, I like it. You have to do you can also do like that. But my husband said it looks nice for me. But let's see the other choices. Going to show you guys if anong gusto nyo or anong bagay sa face ko. Kasi I love this. So, ibabalik natin siya. And then we will unbox another. So, another of sunglasses na order. And this already paid, guys, by the way. So, if meron kaming ma-choose na one, or at least one, we will send this back. So, they will be, we will be refunded by the money that we paid. Upuan. So, ayan siya, guys. Ito yung isa is, ganito siya. And then, if you open it like this, it's like a white one thingy. And, you see, guys, if this will fit in my face. So, ito. Ganito siya. Ganito siya. I'm not sure if it fits on me, but it looks nice. And what I like in Marc Jacob and also Michael Kors, they also have something like this to stop para hindi siya mahuhulog. You know, I have small nose. Small nose. Short nose nga. So, we plan to send this away actually a few days ago. So, next one, guys, will be the Michael Kors. O, diba? Gusto ko siya kasi ang ganda ng case niya. So, very handy siya. Pwede siya malagay sa bag mo. So, ito siya, guys. Ganito siya. So, meron siyang brand dito sa this one. MK. So, normally, ganyan siya. Oh, malaki siya dito. Usually, it's big on the side. But the frame, it's really fit in my face. See? Nag-hold siya kahit wala siyang yung holder sa nose. Nag-hold siya. Diba? So, ganun siya, guys. Ano ko lang muna kasi ganun siya makeup. So, this one is Michael Kors. Sa online, ang ganda niya. So, nagugustuhan ko talaga siya. At first, sa online. Sabi ko, this is my first bet na kukunin ko. But, na-change yung mind ko sa personal. Kasi, maganda pala yung Marc Jacob. Since the Marc Jacob is modern, yung style niya, modern siya, yung pa-circle. Diba? Ganun yung So, what I like Ray-Ban, guys, is their style also, yung pa-circle. So, ayan. Let's open it up. Meron siyang case. Ganyan. So, dalawa to sila. Yung sizes nito is 130 and, if I'm not mistaken, 130 and 136. Ito yung maliit ata. Ganyan ko na. Ganyan siya na style, guys. Maganda din siya, diba? Simple lang siya. But it's really nice. Diba? So, let's move on to another one. Balik muna natin. Baka tayo nito. Hindi na natin mabalik yung pera natin. O, diba? So, mag-choose lang ako ng one dito. Kasi ang mahal, oy. Na-paid namin 2.8. So, for me, 8 pieces yung nababayaran namin. And then, for Crestop also, yung asawa ko, nag-order din siya 8 pieces. So, need namin babayaran siya before namin ma-try at home. Kasi nga, sa store, very limited lang yung mga brand nila sa store. So, only online, makikita, maraming choices talaga. So, ito yun. Ray-Ban. Next one, kakadaldal lang. Next one is Ray-Ban again. So, this one that I said, guys, this one is bigger than the other one. So, let's try it on. Ayan. So, I really like it. But I'm not sure if I'm onto Ray-Ban, guys. But it's really nice. I mean, the style. If I could choose another brand that is which is the same one on this, I maybe get it. But I couldn't. Marc Jacob, which is this is the same style with Marc Jacob, but I couldn't find the same size. So the Marc Jacob is smaller than this. This one is bigger, which is I like. It fits in me. It's like 135 or 136 mm the size. So ayan, let's grade yung glasses. Kasi the last day pumunta na kami to check our grade if it's still the same. The eyeglasses grade, if it's still the same. So, they can put it in our sunglasses. So, ayan. The next one will be, hulaan nyo kung ano to. O, diba? Very nice and very elegant yung case niya, guys. Look. This is velvet. Velvet. So, the next one will be, alam nyo na. Tada! Ayan. This is Gucci, guys. So, may paano siya dito. May mga bag siya dito. Small pouch. Lalagyan. If you don't like sa case niya. Ito yung Gucci. So, look guys. So, ayan. May ano siya dito. That's one. So, we will fit it on. So, this one is nice also. But, it's a little bit big, huh? My face. And look, if kasi mayroon na siyang grade, guys, ano kasi siya, bibigat siya konti. Kasi sa ano niya, sa glasses ba? Kasi yung frame, it's okay, the frame is okay, but then if bababa siya konti, so gaganon siya sa akin, o diba? So now let's proceed to another one. So the next one will be another velvet. Guess what it is? Another velvet. So, may card siya dito sa loob. Ayan, yung card niya. Gucci card. And then, this is the one. Hello! It's still Gucci. But this one is bigger, I guess. Let's see. And it has a logo on the side. The other one is, the stripe logo, which is the green. So, ganito siya, guys. Kita nyo? Ganito siya. See, malaki siya dito. Pumunta na siya dito sa akin. So, parang natatabunan yung mukha ko. So, this is not for me. This is not for me. But it's really nice, guys. Wait. So, hindi ko to siya i-order lahat, ha. For the information of everybody, we will just doing unboxing and then I am just doing a fitting on in the house, so I will know which one is better and which one will fit in my face. Ayan. And then I'll choose which one's better, and then we will send it back, so we will get our money back refunded to our account. So ayan. So, the next one will be, tada! Tom Ford. So, maganda din to si Tom Ford, but very bulky siya. Very bulky. Ito yung case niya. Ganun siya. I don't like the style since it's really bulky for my face. Ayan. So, this one, ganyan siya, guys. See? And the thing is, the frame is really bulky for me, guys. See? So, ayun lang. We'll just put our done doing the unboxing for my sunglasses. So, if you have any idea or if you like, which one do you like, please comment down below, guys. If which one is fit in my face, then just let me know so I can also decide, since I have this for like 3 days right now, and then we need to decide for 5 days, I guess, so we can go to the optical store and choose one, and then we will just send it back. So ayan, thank you for watching, guys. If you're new to this channel, this is Easy Adventure. If you like this video also, ayan. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video, guys. Ayan, thank you. We will do another unboxing soon. I guess because we will do another unboxing. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin, guys, but we will do another, I guess 2 unboxing will be soon up on my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.